Good morning friends. In last topic we have complete exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Now we go for the type related quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are parallel. Also opposite angles are equal, that is angle A with angle A, angle B with angle B. Adjacent angles are supplementary, means A plus B 180, we can say again A plus B 180, A plus B 180. And diagonal bisect each other, but they are not equal. They are bisect means 90 degree they generate. It is a parent of some other quadrilateral which obtained by adding restriction of various kind. It is a parent of rectangle, rhombus and square. So that is a basic information related to the parallelogram. Again, parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are equal. So here two lines are there and here it is a single line. So now according to text we go, that is related with the text. Now we go related with the text. So text in 3.4.4 topic, that is elements of parallelogram. So already we have discussed that two sides, opposite sides are equal. So AB with CD are opposite side. Angle A and C are opposite angles. And A and BD are opposite sides. And B and D are opposite angles. So A and C are opposite angle, B and D are opposite angle. Sides are also AB opposite to CD, AD opposite to BC. These are all the elements of parallelogram. Now adjacent side. So we know that the whose initial point is common. Or we can say already we have discussed about that A, B, C, D. So AB, comma BC already we have discussed in last lecture. These are all the two adjacent sides. So again same thing, angles are also there. Angle A and B are adjacent angle. AB and BC are adjacent sides. Properties. Opposite sides of parallelograms are equal length. So if you will see that PQRS is a parallelogram. So opposite sides have equal length. So we can say here it is 12. Another property. Properties of angle of parallelograms are equal measure. Opposite angles of parallelogram. So here it is 100. So we can say it is a important properties. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary, means 180. So means if here it is 100, so we can write 80 at here because it is a supplementary. And diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other, that we have not used in this. So all these four properties we have to use to solve the sum. Let me see one example. Find the perimeter of parallelogram PQRS. So we can use this property number 1. Opposite side of parallelogram are equal length. So here 12, so here 12 and here it is 7. So 12 plus 7 plus 12 plus 7, that is 38 centimeter. Now second example, 4. In best is a parallelogram. Find the value of x and y. Now we have to use the property of, again, opposite angles property. So here it is 100, then x is also 100 because opposite angles are equal. Now to find out the y and z, to find out the z, first we have to adjacent angle property, some supplementary. So we can say x plus z is equal to 180. Why? Because of supplementary angle, adjacent angle. X is already know that 100. So z is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80. So z is equal to 80. Now z is 80, then here again it is a 100 because it is a linear pair. So we can easily get x is equal to 100, y is equal to 100 and z is equal to 80. These are all the example you can see in also text. Now we go for exercise. Okay, before it we have again see one More example. Example 5. In parallelogram ring, angle R is equal to 70. Find all other angles. So opposite angles are congruent. So I have to write 70 at here. I have to write 110 at here because adjacent angle is supplementary. So that why we can easily write it 70, 70, 110, 110. So we can find out all other. Now we go for exercise 3.3. One figure is there. We have give the answer. Given in parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with definition or property use. So first, that is AD. So AD is equal to what? We can say BC. Why? We know that opposite side of parallelograms are equal. So we here use this property. Now, second, BCD. So from D, C, B. So it is equal with what? DAB. So BCD is equal with DAB. Why? Opposite angle of parallelogram also equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are also equal. So A, B, C and D. So here and here it is equal. OC. OC is a diagonal. OC, it's a part of diagonal. So property is diagonal bisect each other, means two equal part. So OC is equal to OA. OC is equal to OA. Now this DAB. So DAB plus CDA. CDA. So it is a adjacent angle property, that is supplementary 180. Adjacent angle is always 180. So BD is equal, again I am give whole answer. AD is equal to BC I have to write. BCD is equal to DAB I have to write. OC is equal to AO I have to write, and here 180. That is exercise 3.3 question number 1. Consider the following parallelogram. Find the value of x, y, z. So we know here it is 100. Here it is 80. Here it is 80. Why? Because adjacent angles are equal. So B is equal to D. Opposite angle are equal. So B is equal to 100. Sorry. D is equal to 100. That is Y. Now Z. So Y plus Z is equal to also 180. Y supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. So Y, that is 100, plus Z, that we have to find out. So Z is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80. So here 80, and X is also 80. Why? X is equal to Z. Y opposite angle. So all sums are easy. Now here again 50, so we can say it is also 50. Sum of adjacent angle is 180. So Y plus 50 is equal to 180. So Y is equal to 130 degree. So here it is 130 degree. Again here it is 130 degree. So 130 degree, 130 degree, 50 degree and 50 degree. Again here it is 130. Why? Linear pair. So linear pair is there if it is 50. So 180 minus 50, that is 130. So all questions are easy if you will go through it properly with all 4 properties related parallelogram. Can a quadrilateral become a parallelogram? B plus D is equal to 108. AB is equal to DC is equal to 8. So first of all, we have to draw one parallelogram. I already had here. Again, we have to draw one more parallelogram. Now B plus D. So B plus D. In parallelogram, according to the parallelogram property, it is equal. B is equal to D. So sum is 180, so 180 divided by 2, that is 90. So we cannot calculate anything. AB and CD 8, 8. Okay. And AD is equal to 4, BC 4.4. So we can say no, that is not possible. Again, ABCD, A, B, C and D. So A 70 degree. So here it is 65. It is also not possible. Now question number 5 is important for us. That is how we can solve, that is important. Find all angle. So ratio is given. So there is a one figure that we have drew it at here. Ratio is given. So let angle be x. Therefore angle A, opposite angles are equal. So 2x. Here it is 3x. So angle A is equal to 2x. Angle B is equal to 3x. Angle C is equal to 2x. Angle D is equal to 3x. Sum of adjacent angle is 180. So 3x plus 2x is equal to 180. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So 5x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 5. That is 36 degree. So when x is equal to 36 degree, then angle A is equal to 2 into 36. That is 72 degree. So here it is 72 degree. It means it is also 72 degree. Now B is equal to 3 into x. So 3 into 36. That is 108. So here it is 108. Again it is also 108. Now we go for the next question number 6. Two adjacent angle of parallelogram have equal measure. Two adjacent angle of parallelogram have equal measure. Find measure of each of them. Now adjacent angles already know that is supplementary. Adjacent angle is supplementary. Let the angle be x. So x plus x is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 90. So we can say that A, B, C and D. Again here 90, here 90, here 90 and here 90. Now this question already we have got answer of it, 90, 90 and 90. Every time we can get same answer because opposite angles are equal. So B with D and A with C. Sum of adjacent angle A plus B is equal to 180. Now question number 7. Adjacent figure hope. If you will see the figure hope is find x, y and z. So first off we have to make a z like that. So here 40 and we can say it is also 40. Why? Because adjacent angle, it's a adjacent, here it is a z. So when two lines are parallel and there is a one transversal line, then it is called alternate angle pair. So alternate angle pair HE parallel to PO and HP is a transversal line, then angle EHP is equal to HPO, that is 40 is equal to y. So y we can get 40. Now I want to find out x. So here it is a linear pair. So inside we can say it is 110. So if it is 110, then x is also 110. So angle E is equal to x is equal to 110. Here it is 110, here it is 40. We can easily find out Z. So we can say it is 30. Why? Because angle Z plus angle Y is equal to 70. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. So Z we have to find out. Y we know 40 is equal to 70. So Z is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. So Z is equal to 30. So mostly all sum I am clear at here. If you have some doubt here with all sum, you can send a WhatsApp message to me with sum. Now following figure, guns and runs are parallelogram. Find X and Y. So if you will see, we know that parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides equal means 3GS is equal to UN. So 3x is equal to 18. X is equal to 6. Same thing, GU is equal to SN. So 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. So 3y is equal to 27. Y is equal to 9. Same thing here, diagonal. Diagonal bisect. Diagonal bisect. So if I write O at here, then SO is equal to OU. So 20 is equal to Y plus 7. So Y is equal to 20 minus 7. So Y is equal to 13. Now RO is equal to ON. That is 16 is equal to X plus Y. So 16 is equal to X plus 13. So X is equal to 16 minus 13. X is equal to 3. So in both questions we can easily find out X and Y by using properties. We are using the property of parallelogram. Here opposite sides are equal. Diagonal bisect each other. Two property we are used. Now question number 9. It is some complicated sum related with it. But if you will draw two, already one given that risk and clue are two parallelogram. So first of all I have to draw risk, RISK. If I will draw risk at here, so RISK. Here it is 120. So if R is equal to 1, K is equal to 120, then I is also 120. Sum of linear pairs. So here it is 60. S, I, C now. So here it is 60. Again here it is also 60. Question is find X. So already I have got 68 here. Now this. Chalo, E, C, L, U. Again here it is 70. So here it is also 70. Now I am draw the E, S, and here it is angle X. So already I got here it is 70 and here it is 60. So 70 degree plus 60 degree plus X is equal to 180. So 130 plus X is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. So here X is equal to 50 degree. But how we can find X, that is important here. They are doing with different method. What they are doing, SIC. So here it is 60, they said Z. again 170. So it is important, don't do by, we can do it by different method, but easy way is that first of all we draw one parallelogram, draw another parallelogram, use the identities, and then we can easily solve. So here angle K plus angle S is equal to 180. So angle S is equal to 60 degree. Again here angle E is equal to angle L, that is angle E is equal to angle L, opposite angles criteria. So 60 and 70 already we get, sum of triangle is 180. So 180 minus 50, 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. We can get result. Next question. Explain the following. Explain how this figure is trapezium. So first of, trapezium has only one pair of parallel. That is always remember. Not a two pair of parallel. Which two sides are parallel? Explain how this figure is a trapezium. So in trapezium, one of the important characteristic, only one pair is parallel. So one pair is parallel. And sum of adjacent angle is 180. So here it is 180. So we can say yes. Which two sides? So here we can say N, M, N parallel to KL. Again here 3.3. Find C if AB parallel to CD. So here again trapezium it is, only one pair is parallel. So sum of adjacent angle is 180. B plus C. No A, not A plus B is equal to 180. Here if in parallelogram what happens in trapezium, generally AB parallel to CD. So AB parallel to CD, only one pair is parallel. So here we can say total is 180 x or y. So x plus y is equal to 180. So here it is 60. Again 90, here these two lines are parallel. That is QR parallel to PS. So here it is 90 degree. Sum of adjacent angle is 180. So 90 degree. So again here it is also 90. But here it is, we can say 50 degree. So if angle R is more than one method, then find P. So again the measure of the PN, find the measure of PNS. If SP parallel to RQ, so if it is a parallel, then we can do it by different way. So it is not important according to me. First of all, I think we have completed exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. Now in your third unit test exam, chapter 3 and chapter 5 is there. Already chapter 5 we have completed. Now we are try to complete question chapter number 3. So that is sufficient. I think everything we have completed related with the text.